Hey everyone, I'm Nina and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw realistic eyebrows. Let's see what tools we need to draw a perfect eyebrow. So I'm taking a mechanical HB pencil, a 2B pencil, a black charcoal oil pencil, a brush for blending and an eraser. If you don't have a black pencil, take the softest you have, for example 7 or 8B. The reason why I always use a black pencil instead of soft pencil is that soft pencils might be pretty greasy on the paper and still not black enough for me. The format of this video will be similar to my eyelash tutorial, so first I'm going to explain and highlight the most important points, and afterwards I'll finish this drawing with a beautiful eyebrow. If you want to know how to draw a realistic eye or nose, check out my channel after watching this video. So let's get started. The first thing I want to point out is the stroke quality. It's very important to keep your pencil sharpened to make the strokes thin. I hate sharpening my pencils because I always break them while doing it, so for this tutorial I'm also using a mechanical pencil. If you neglect this advice and use a dull pencil, the strokes will eventually merge and the eyebrow won't look realistic. So here's the example how not to do it and how it's supposed to be. The strokes are actually pointy at the ends and thicker at the roots. And here is the example why it's a bad idea to use a dull pencil. The next thing is the location and shape of the eyebrow. So where do you actually have to draw the eyebrow? I drew the eye and the nose not without a reason. Draw an imaginary line from the outside corner of your nose to the inside corner of your eye, as I'm doing right now on the paper. Then I'm drawing a line again from the outside corner of your nose to the outside corner of your eye. And the third line is going from the outside corner of your nose to the outer rim of the pupil. So now we see where the eyebrow is supposed to begin and ends. And this middle point is the arch, so it's a little bit higher. Eyebrow length varies from person to person, but I prefer to draw eyebrows slightly longer than the basic shape and not super arched, just like on my face. You decide how wide and high your eyebrow should be. If you want some inspiration, look yourself in the mirror. Direction of the hair. Hairs have three main directions. In the beginning of the eyebrow, they grow up. In the middle of the eyebrow, they grow to the sides, and in the end, they grow down. So instead of doing like this or like this, try to practice a little bit and you'll do great. Just like with lashes, the eyebrow hairs might overlap each other, especially if you're going for a natural look. Try to practice drawing overlapping and intersecting hairs to be more confident on the original drawing. So I'm moving back to my drawing. It's a good idea to remove the guidelines before you start. So first I'm taking an HB pencil and drawing the first layer of hairs, remembering the hair direction. Keep your strokes thin and sharp and keep in mind the things we were talking about a few minutes ago. After that, I'm blending this layer with a brush and taking a 2B pencil. I'm trying to keep the beginning of the eyebrow relatively light and not drawing a lot of hair there. I'm not using a reference picture, so I'm adding unique hairs, grouping and overlapping them how I want to. I'm also blending this layer too. Then I'm deciding to add some highlights with an eraser, and after that I'm taking a sharp black pencil to give the eyebrow more depth and realism, basically doing the same. So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you liked it. Comment what tutorial you want me to do next, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, bye!